Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix desktop background block in Windows 11 like this. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for control panel. The moment you've typed that, a system called control panel itself will appear. Here you need to click on open to continue. And once you are being redirected to this new window, if your view doesn't look like this, proceed to view by and change it into category. Once done, proceed on appearance and personalization, which is next to user accounts. And there you go, you would be able to see four options. You need to proceed on the second, which is of access center. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you'd be able to see a lot of options. Where here, you need to look for explore all settings and go with make the computer easier to see, which is placed in the second. Click on it. And the moment you've click on it, you need to scroll down and look for this removed background images where available. Just have to uncheck this box. And once you have done checked it, click on apply and then click on OK. So just have to wait until you have applied it. And once done, close this window. And there you have that. Your problem has been successfully fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.